So just now I had a meal. तो इनको दिखाने का क्या है? What do they want to prove? That I am an abusive fuck. Why are they recording me from the front camera then? Why are they making a clone phone of me and my entire family? Huh? Why did they sold my data from a clone phone? Why are they watching me from Edinburghs? Why are they following me and they men are the trans hookers? वो तो उनका पर्सनल मैटर है. But why they are trans men are with a clone phone and make sex videos? Huh? I saw that Amazon animation that Jeff is getting richer. What Jeff Bezos? Bezos, right? So he's getting richer by what? Paying every bank fraud victim. Huh? You know what this matter is, what this case is? Does he have any idea? File is viral. Entire country is claiming for the rights. Huh? And they are selling the data from the clone. What do I care? Police says it's in my head. Evidences are out there. Entire country comes for your goods. What do I care? File is viral. What do I care? You have to pay for every bank fraud, every whatever came in the fake bank account. Everyone has to the the production has to pay to the entire country, every individual. Every individual account, production has to pay that stuff. What do I care? It's not my money that it's going in. Anyone's account. It's the production's money. My thing was a criminal case. They have stole it, they have sold it, and for that they wanted race riots, this, and they want to portray me bad. Huh? Who are these people? Huh? Get into other people's houses, huh? Steal stuff. Huh? And what? Accused of rape. Then, and what? Who are these sluts and who are their bastards? You wanted race riots, and they want to say it's their name, Yogendra Nikhare. Now what do you call it? 1 lakh babies. I'm gonna call them father now. It's not my burden. It's not my burden. Oh, that production has to pay to the entire country, every individual. It's not my money. Make you headache, Palu. मेरा क्या headache है इसमें? I don't have any headache in this. Every individual will get paid except this territory because of the rape accusations. मेरा क्या जाने वाला है इसमें? मेरा कुछ नहीं जाने वाला है. The evidences are out there. जाओ, जिसका जाने वाला है उसको टेंशन है. जेफ को टेंशन है. What is going to happen next? The artists are going to get fucked very badly. मेरा क्या है उसमें? मेरे को जो एक्सपोज करने का वो किया है मैंने. The men are the trans hookers. No one who stole, and in the fake bank account, prostitution has been. That's all prostitution transaction. मेरा क्या है? मेरे अकाउंट से पैसा नहीं जा रहा है. जिसके अकाउंट से जा रहा है वो उसको प्रोडक्शन बोलते हैं और जाने वाला है. और बहुत कुछ बिजनेस भी कोलैप्स होने वाला है in the entire world. The normal public is getting richer. Normal public who are not scammers, and the scammers are the reason the production is gonna get fucked. Eh? It's not my burden. Go fuck yourself. Files are viral. Eh? And a country has copyrights. It's not my burden. Eh? Production is gonna get fucked because of scammers. Eh? Because the file is viral. It's not my burden. Production has to pay to every individual exact same amount which came in the fake bank account. Okay? And the fake bank account transaction are the reason the production is getting fucked. So production should look at that transaction. Eh? Who are those sluts and transhookers? It's not my burden. And those are the men. In day and at night, those are the transhookers. Work in bank. They are working in bank. Okay? Those transhookers. It's not my stress. It's not my headache. Okay? मैं क्या करूँ बहन चोद इनकी माँ चुदा ही ये लोग. They want to portray me bad. What? In what way? That I'm putting abusive language to scammers? Huh? Feel lucky I didn't cut anyone's throat yet. I mean, you are nothing but sluts and transhookers. हमें तुम्हें अवगत हो रस्ते की हिडन कैमरा क्लोन फोन हमें Jeff getting richer, or what do you call it, or the public getting richer? I want to see who gets richer, who gets rich, Jeff or the normal public. What can I do? Files are viral. Copyright is to the entire country. Let me see who gets rich, Jeff or normal public.